Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Chimentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. What will I say is about mall on year 2019 that I think of. On my left eye, it exists. Uh, the color is beige white, and then when I think of it exists, the right eye is the right eye is refers it to Venice Piazza, even though not. It is not similar. That imagination of an eye is year 2021. Year 2022 it is. I just remember at this moment. That is my memory. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is getting it on the right eye. And then the tremendous the intensity level of her criminality on myself is such this. She tends to ruin my fingerprint on right side. I not know. And then she is on the right side. She is killing me talaga. And then, uh, the existence of love life on earth is not similar to each other. The bad person is killer. Kin lang ang aid. No on you. And then now, based on creation of alibi of such as black magic, and then they will tend to robotic about body movement of a person. That is what is being says of the right ear based on the voice on my right eye, right ear. Not what day. I am 29-year-old already. That day is killing me. Please help. What else? When they tends to robotic the life this year 2025, it is. And then what else about mall? I say about mall on my previous camera video on YouTube about Lazada and then Shopee. They will tend to create a mall for the online shopping. They say during year 2023. And then mm, at the moment I am talking, this is hurting my left eye. The kabit is talking at the moment. I will draw it. It is my memory. Akin yun. Nakabit talaga is killer. Catch this. Good na bisa. Catch this oh. That is the mall. And then it is color beige and white. And then the light bulb in there is big chandelier. It has fountain. That is my thinking process. That is my memory. Why is it being copied? Please help me from other country. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is being killed on University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I not want to talk about it. I not want to talk about it when it comes into that. Lover ka, Alex ko. May panaginip is may panaginip. And then, when the Lazada is talking and then Shopee, oh, oh, they say about it. The mall on Lazada and Shopee is what will be put on that mall. Why? That is being says of the right eye. And then it is being uh myself is being hurt. Slapping ear. They is aiming to slap my face such this. Those person uh that knows about the mall that will be built white beige color. Richelle Angelimentisa Senior is on my right eye. That mall is being Alex Junior ko says that mall is being created for myself. Why the kabit is getting that? Akin lang, akin. Chismosa, the right eye. And then myself is being slapped the ear such this. It is already swollen. Why they puts me on dizziness, that is dizziness, sleepy? Why? Not no. Nakakadiri ko bit Alex. Uh, this day ba yun o previous day? This day, the the person, atamig ko, I not want to think about them. I'll talk now. Mall. What else on that mall? The fountain look. It has fountain inside. Such this so. Ako na beside. Such this. Dahan ko na beside. Okay. On the first floor. I could draw such this, but the scenery is on my uh, memory during I not want them. Mine is mine during year 2022. Very wrong is what is happening. I am clean person. Pure is me. Ooh. I should get my color pencil so that I could color it because it is my panaginip. Yak, akin lang, akin. The kabit tends to get of what is mine. I am Connie Ann. And then this is what the bad person is doing on my body movement, hurting my right eye. Yak, I am the person the reason about baklaran. Uh, Nakabit is on a situation of they is group so that they could copy of what is mine. And then on copying of what is mine, they tends to get the feeling. And then it does not happen the existence of the those person that is about Alex Jr. ko. I not know the reason. I will talk as well it is when myself is on year 2020. When I talk the person that interferes is that ay maganon buffer at the moment. What else is my memory? It is ceramic. Ito. Ceramic it is. Saan? Ceramic it is. Ceramic. Oh, ceramic. The kabit is talking on my right ear. That voice is being on casket year 20. Kailan yan? Year 2022. Oh, the person that talks on my right ear is on casket with her child, baby girl. Himiko, what else? The mall. I feel excited about it. And then, the right eye is thinking about the mall if the design is such as about Venice. When I say about Venice, about something group that I not want to talk about it. Why they is such that? I not know. And then on myself the existence. So it is such as myself is pampering and relaxation. Buffer at the moment. So it is such as pampering and relaxation, and then it happens that me and Alex Jr. ko is walking indoor. That is about it. Walking indoor. But the existence of the mall, I not know. But it is on my panaginip. The establishment of it, I not know. I not know as well the location. Tahimik ko. Here at Philippines. Ayan, bumalik na! It is return on myself about mall on Europa. Wait, buffer. Bakit mo pinapas forward?
Wala lang. Gusto ko yung may lapat.
Ala, ate kagkakaila. What is the meaning of the tugadagang kawaila? Ay, nauman din. Paabot ng t-shirt na blue. Alex ko. Alex Jr. ko has moment to my cousin on Magnaye. I just remember at this day, at this moment when myself is talking. You know why? It is being looked of during year 2022 of Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. And then they getting the feeling on the use of black magic so that it could be removed. My cousin that I am talking is boy gender, Allen Magnaye. And then, on their house, this panaginip ko, ang weird nila. Tok lang ng tok. Grabe. I not know about this happening. Where is that? I could feel it during year 2022 being get of Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. During evening at Batangas, they is looking, that person is looking on the face of my cousin, and then when I go home, the feeling is being look the moment. Moment is what is she is trigger. I not know why such that is that person. This one no, could it beside kabaong casket panaginip doris. I not want to talk about it. Left eye, year 2018, not yet happens. When it comes onto who? Naunat din. Talk lang ng talk. What else? Uh, Casket. Casket. Timik ko, relax ko. Mall. On the house of, timik ko. Next, mall. What else being look? The moment. Tagaytay. There is as well moment of Allen. May talk lang talaga to, ng talk. Wait lang. Hmm. Timik ko. Days, amik ko. Ano ba yan? What is being saved the right eye? The place in here at Batangas is not their house. And then, myself is the person that is putting on killing. Yak, kay Alex ko. Do I cite the casket? Oh, naon to talk. I just cite Alina on front of me. Timing ko. I'm not cryness. Kaya nga, timing. What else? City Garden Hotels. Mm, it is on the rental house. My moment with my cousin, I write it because my memory is being get. My feeling is being get of the Kabit, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. She is killing me on such as on the use of black magic, getting my memory. And then, it is on the rental house. Each my cousin that I have moment panaginip, I write it. That is my opportunity during that moment because it flows. Because I talk. Nakakaloka. Tagaytay Highlands. Life but they going there as well. I'm not comfortable. Never legs ko. I'm not comfortable when there is person on the house of Lola. If it is Bobo Lodge. It is such as they seeking on information. I not know the reason. And then, what else? Hmm. Alina! I not want to say it because it is near the time to. The inchik say that the right I want is stopping me to say it. Why? Putting scareness on myself, saying if I say it, I will have illness such as hypertension. When Alina is graduation, Corina is with her fellow schoolmate or colleague or schoolmate or co-worker during that moment. And then I am with Corina. Now myself is being killed, meaning hurting my chest, heart pain illness is being put. They tends to avoid to happen it. but it should be happen. Ganda ako. Graduation of Alina. Alina is on green. Color white toga. Ay, timig ka! Eyesight the building. Listen, ang bastos nila. The right eye uses black magic. Eyesight the building. Lucky. Myself in there is behave. Oh, they tends to feel myself in there on that panaginip. Why? No. And then they slap me. The right here is wants to slap me on that moment. And then while I talk in here, someone is saying bad word to myself because of this mouth positioning a while ago. I say the truth, not say bad word. I want to draw it. Why they is such that? Yak, mamatay kang kabit. Yak, kabit. That is not me during that moment. They look on it. Someone is saying, stop it, but they look on it. Oh, hala! Maybe the friend of Corina in here should be hang out of Corina. Hang out on a socialization of Corina. Yan o, this one. Meaning of it, during it is being looked, it is walking. That is why such this. Ganun, may panaginip, memory. The right eye is tends to hurt me while I am talking at this moment. She tends to, gumaganon siya on my face. If I draw a stick, meaning of it, yung if I draw a person, stick, meaning of it, the moment, the scenery. Now, I will talk now about the mall. There is group of person here at Philippine. They tends to, ano yun, first come, first serve about the mall. What it is on myself. They is hurting me, slapping ear, slapping face, and then they use black magic that they talks on my right ear, and then it leads to Alex Junior ko. Alex Junior ko is my lover. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is planning to put me on craziness. That is the other reason of why there is right eye and then tends to pops up. Himik ko. And then, mall, wait, I have writing. Oh, mall, when it comes onto the mall, they say, year 2020, planning of Lazada about it. And then, it is for a specific person. Lover next ko. Mall of Asia. Many moment. Multiple count is me with Alex Ko. The fireworks year 2012, why does not happen? Alex Junior ko is college degree. I am the person about it, not other person. Alex ko is civil engineer. Pinagpapawisan pa yung mahal ko during that moment. His backpack is heavy. Fireworks display that is during December. I am Connie and the talks. That is my panaginip year 2012. The girl gender says, darating ang panahon, patay ka. Sabi niya sa akin. In English translation, there will be a moment that you will be dead. Sabi niya. And then the talks, kabit number 2 is talking. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I am the with Alex Junior Koyo 2012 about it. Never Lex ko. Uh, Even Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri knows to herself about what will happen to her on University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I need to say Kadiri so that they could not be clingy because they use black magic. She watched it year 2012. I am with Alex Junior ko. I am the person in the I sight fireworks display. Ano Alex? Gising ka? Is you awake? I will talk. 35 minute and 28 second. During the year 2012, that is my panaginip. That is accuracy. When I say accuracy, it should be happening during year 2012. Year 2012 is first year college degree. December it is. Ano, Alex, gising ka? I will talk. Even you awake, I will talk. Na-immune ka na ba ng gluta? Ay, na ano? That is accurate, Alex. Accurate day, accurate second, accurate minute, accurate hour, accurate year, accurate month. Wait, I will just wait. How the heck is it?